Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I wore this makeup look on my Instagram stories recently, and I had loads of DMs of people asking me what was on my eyes. They really loved the eye colour, and I thought, why not I do an actual tutorial and show you guys instead of me always like responding. And it is such a beautiful look. It is a eye look that I seem to always go to time and time again. It was so simple and easy. I literally just used my fingertips, and it's all part of the KIKO new Dark Treasure collection. Look at the packaging. It's like so cool, kind of psychedelic as well. Maybe it's just me. So I'll be using the metal foil eyeshadow pots to create this eye look, and if you want to know how I achieved this look, which is perfect for brown dark eyes, then carry on watching. Now that I've primed the eyes, this just helps the colour to stay on and really give you that true colour as well, because it neutralises the colour of your skin on your eyelid. So I have shade Ombretto, which is this beautiful burgundy shade which I have on my hands here, and it is so simple and easy. All you need to do is use your fingertips. The makeup artist actually suggested to just use your fingertips and just pat it on your eyelid like so, and just in patting motion, and then we will blend it out in a bit, so it might look a little bit messy, but we're gonna blend it. This is also from the Dark Treasure collection, and it's their finishing powder. Look at that gorgeous packaging. Pretty. So I'm just gonna use this as a mirror, and all you have to do is just do it all over the eyelid. And make sure you have a blending brush handy to blend out the edges just like that. And then for the under the eye, again, because I really want to go in quite close to the waterline, I'm using this angled brush from Real Techniques. It is the crease prep brush, but we're not going to use it for the crease, we're going to use it for the under eye. I'm just going to take a little bit of the product and just under the eye like so, and smudge that out just a bit more. Kind of using the top bit. So for the fallout, just got a fluffy brush here. This is from Spectrums. It's their A01 brush, and I'm just gonna brush underneath my eye to take off any fallout, but to be honest, there was only very minimal fallout of the product. And yeah, so that is one eye done. I'm now going to move on to the other eye. It's such a beautiful colour, especially if you have brown eyes. This look is going to be gorgeous on you. And then I'm just going to take this Sport FX eyebrow pencil, but I really love this pencil for my eyes because it is sweat proof, water resistant and long wearing. I actually like to use it as an eyeliner. God, I really can't do this. I might have to do this off camera. And the top waterline. And then just for a little bit more sparkle, I'm just going to use this Smashbox eyeliner, and it's actually with their collaboration with Vlada, that gorgeous talented makeup artist. And I'm just going to gently just tap on the corner of my eye. I'm not going to do a full liner, but just like so. I love this because it's actually got rose gold glitter in it, so it just makes your eyes look extra sparkly, which I love. Just going to go back in with a little bit of mascara, and I'm using the KIKO Standout mascara. I really love this mascara from KIKO. It really does help give you that wow look. There are some gorgeous colours. I absolutely love this. And I have loads more from the Dark Treasure collection for you guys to try and experiment. So head in store. They've got gorgeous lip colours, lipsticks, cheeks, everything highlighted. Oh my god, don't even get me started on the highlighter. You could actually use this as an highlight. And then obviously I might as well use the KIKO finishing powder just to kind of set my face a little bit. Really like this, it just kind of takes off the shininess. And you know what's perfect that I found with these metallic fall eyeshadows is that they actually don't crease. I've worn this all day. I have tried and tested this before I filmed this tutorial, and it lasts all day, and that's what I love. I hate when you see those creases on your eyes. It drives me nuts. I just want to like go up to someone and be like, ugh, blend it. But yeah, but if you want it to last even longer, your whole face, a good makeup setting spray is essential, and I love this one from Makeup Revolution. You just shake it and then spritz your face. And it just makes your makeup last forever, and it just looks super flawless. And then there you have it, super quick and easy, just using your fingertips, and you get this beautiful burgundy smoky eye, which is so on trend this autumn season, and you can take it on to the Christmas season as well. Let me know in the comments down below what other tutorials you would like me to do for you, and that's it. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Mwah.